The next two extended applications I want to discuss relate to drawing productivity tools. These two extended applications are rated as experimental currently with version 17. However, I'm showing it to you because they are available on the extranet for you to download and start using to give us feedback on their use. The Drawing Detailing Manager is the first one. This one allows you to save away details, typical detail information or typical notes or annotation information, and save it away and reuse it on other sheets, drawing sheets, and on other project drawings. The scope of it includes that you can save away line work, symbols, hatching, and the non-intelligent text information. So this kind of complements with where we have with drawing cloning, where you can clone both intelligent and non-intelligent information. This is really starting on being able to copy kind of the non-intelligent data and reuse that information. So let me go into the model and I'm going to open up a drawing. And here I have an elevation sheet and I'm going to go ahead and open up the macro. Now, what this interface allows you to do then is save away information in a list. So if I have, say, like a circle with hatching saved away, I'll just come in here and say insert, and I insert that, and now this is that polygon property object. So this is the polygon property object, like up here, that instead of coming up here and loading an attribute and placing it in, I just save it away in my palette. Same thing with text and symbol information. If I come in here and say place this top of deck C plan, which I would typically use in different situations, I can come in here and go ahead and place that in, and that just goes ahead and places that node information. So these are just the non-intelligent text and symbol information tools that Tekla Structures has, but instead of you going in and having to create it and then, like for another drawing, right currently you can't copy it from drawing to drawing. Well, now you have that ability to do that. So if you wanted to, if they had some other notes, if I had some type of customization, coordinate top of roof, with architect. If I had some, common note that I really, used over and over again, I could reuse this and save it. So how I save this away is I would come up here and give this a new name. I'd come in here and call it roof note, call it 1, and I have that selected, and I just hit save, and then in the bottom it says pick the reference point. So here I would just pick, say, if this is my insertion point. Now if I wanted to create a picture of that, what I would do is I double click on the preview image here, and it gives me this little hover pane, and now I can go ahead and stretch that over, and this is the same camera tool with the comment tool for taking snapshots of the model. So now I'll just double click in the middle here, and now it puts that image over there. Okay, so now if I see that roof note 1, and if I hit insert, now I can come in and I'll just place that note wherever I need it. And I could go do that on another drawing or, in another project. So what it's doing is storing this information within the drawing detail folder that's within my model folder. So I could move that into another location like a system folder to be able to have that available. Okay, so it'd be great to get your feedback. You can add comments and everything right to the extranet site to give us feedback on this.